Bulla, I'm going to take you through how to use our amazing gua sha heart-shaped stone with our Hydrate and Nourish Luxury Face Oil. This amazing stone is made with white jade, bringing some positive energy and a sense of calm. It is the perfect self-care ritual. You can use this with any of your favorite skincare products, any of our facial oils, moisturizers, or serums. But I love to use it with our Hydrate and Nourish Luxury Face Oil, which is also available in the Gua Sha Sculpting Kit. So you want to take some of the facial oil and apply it to cleansed skin. So take your facial oil, take the dropper here, and take 3 to 4 drops of the oil and apply it to your face so you get a nice glide with the gua sha stone. So there you have it, just a few drops of that there, and apply directly to cleansed skin. So no makeup or anything on your skin. Apply that to your face and neck and décolleté, because we will be taking the gua sha stone down our neck as well. So there you have it, just leave that on, don't massage it too much. And now we're going to take the gua sha stone and go through the steps. So take your stone. Now if you're buying the gua sha on its own or in our sculpting kit, these step-by-step instructions are included in that as well, in addition to being able to watch this video. So this is a heart shaped for a reason. Each of the sides is perfectly curved to fit into the different areas of your face. So you want to start the massage from the neck, working the way up. So we're going to start with the collarbone, taking this long curve here, take it to the collarbone and go up the neck to the jawline. So from the collarbone, up the neck to the jawline, collarbone, up the neck to the jawline, and you would repeat that a few times. Now you want to massage the jaw with a lovely lifting movement. The gua sha stone is designed to contour, sculpt, firm your face and also help smooth fine lines and wrinkles. So you want to take this heart shaped here, apply it your jaw in between it like so, and then take it up towards your ear. So lovely lifting movement here, also helping with lymphatic drainage. So all the way up the jaw towards the ear, and you would do that on both sides as well. Now we're going to take the long curve again from the gua sha stone, and we're going to massage the cheeks, again lifting, working our way up, sculpting those cheekbones. So you want to take it on the side of your face like this, line it up with the start of your nose, and then work your way up again towards the hairline. So from the side here, going up towards the hairline with that big curve of the gua sha stone. And again, you're going to repeat this on the other side as well. This feels amazing. It's helping relieve facial muscle tension, helping to lift and sculpt, helping with puffiness, helping to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, and it really just gives your skin a really nice radiant glow as well. So now with the large curve of the heart, you want to take it and massage under the eye area like so. So you just hold it a little flat with that big curve on the heart, and you go from the inner corner out. So from the inner corner and then out. A lovely sweeping motion, lots of pressure points here as well, so really relaxing. This is such a lovely self-care ritual as well. Once again, you would repeat that on the other side. Now you're going to take the smaller curve of the heart and you're going to place it underneath your brow bone, and this fits perfectly over that upper brow bone, and we're going to massage around the eyebrows, again going outwards here like so, outwards like so. And you can do this a few times, each step a few times, or as you wish, depending on time as well. It's a lovely evening ritual. So if you cleanse your skin, apply the face oil and then use your gua sha stone. Lovely way to relax you at the end of the day and have your skin looking radiant. I then like to finish it off by taking the gua sha stone again with that long curve and just doing a few lovely gentle strokes down the neck to finish. So there you have it, everybody, our white jade gua sha heart-shaped stone, perfect for sculpting your face, contouring, lifting, firming and smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, plus giving yourself a little bit of self-care.